Good morning, Mr. Anil Bershi and Workday Leadership Team. My name is Thomas Flowers with Organizational Behavior Consultants, and today we will review why Workday, when considering addressing AI recruitment platform, should pivot from legal defensibility to technical algorithms and instead address a fundamental question. How must Workday transform its organizational behavior, culture, and governance to ensure AI is developed and deployed responsibly? The core problem isn't just the code, it's how organizational decision-making processes operate. AI and recruitment promises speed, but it often creates pain points, which include automation bias, cognitive inertia, and siloed accountability. When automated tools run without structured human engagement, recruiters default to autonomous uh, bias. Workday has allowed efficiency to become a substitute for thoughtful judgment. And at the core, there is a lack of organizational accountability. Responsible AI is a cross stakeholder commitment. Developers need ethical guardrails, recruiters need agency, and client leaders need transparent processes to ensure their hiring practices reflect their organizational values. If executive leadership must shift from treating AI ethics as a legal compliancy task to actively building a human-centered organizational culture. HR professionals must shift from passively accepting AI recommendations to acting as empowered, critical evaluators of automated data. To restore systematic trust, transparency, and interactional fairness, organizations must align their talent acquisition practices with human centered organizational behavior principles. While evaluating strategic alternatives for Workday, there were a few options that stood out. While technical audits, such as option one, or legal updates, such as option three, are probably the most common responses to this problem. However, neither change how humans are interacting with their software. Only option two fundamentally restructures the organizational behavior to move to restore high trust recruiter agency and ethical alignment by redesigning your workflows to require that active human validation at critical decision gates. To do this, we recommend fully committing to mandatory human in the loop operational controls. This shifts your product from an autonomous screening engine to an intelligent assistant. This will ensure that human judgment remains central to every hiring decision. Technology is great, but alone cannot fully transform recruitment. Sustainable change, sustainable organizational behavior change requires shifting organization thoughtfully. Reposition your AI as a decision support system rather than an autonomous gatekeeper. This redefines the recruiter role from passive to active. Critical decision making personnel by restructuring workflows to support continuous upskilling, psychological safety, and interactional justice. The organization fosters an environment where human judgment actively enhances data driven insights, ensuring long term alignment between hiring practices and corporate culture. And I appreciate y'all's time today and consideration with organization behavior and the key concepts that we've offered here. If you have any questions, of course, you can reach out to me directly or at our consulting group office. Thank you for your time. Have a good day.